Office hero, I would say office heroes kasi they are my team, the talent management team who always supports me in all the tasks and assignments that I have here in APMC. Yan lang.
See, it will be Corp's team.
Bakit po?
They aid us in our smart sheet initiatives, particularly with the fillable forms.
Ang office hero ko here sa procurement is si Ma'am Marisa. Astig ba siya? Anyway, ayun. So, siya yung naabutan kong manager. So, siya yung tumulong sa akin from the very start hanggang ngayon.
My office hero is my boss, Mr. Michael Magpusaw, our COO. Working with him, mas nag-grow ako at mas marami ako natututunan sa kanya. Both my work and personal life. Kaya siya yung napili kong office hero.
Si Kuya Romel, kasi he's very reliable and napapagaan niya yung mga tasks namin dito sa department.
Di si Boss Jan!
Bakit?
Because your safety is Boss Jan's responsibility.
I think yung office hero ko is my teammates, especially Kim and Angela. Because I remember the day nang na-accident ako along Ayala Avenue. Isang tawag lang talaga sa kanila. They come over and help me. Especially, madala sa hospital. Hindi talaga ako, especially Angela, inalalayan niya talaga ako all throughout na makalabas ako ng hospital.